Hi guys, welcome to my channel Healthy with Aparna. Today we will make healthy egg recipe. So let's start with ingredients. We need 5 eggs. We'll use 2 full egg and 3 egg whites. 1 chopped tomato. 1 chopped onion. Half red bell pepper. Bell pepper is rich in vitamin C. Half yellow bell pepper. And some green chilies. Green chilies are very good in building immunity. Coriander to garnish. Put a pan on medium flame. Add 1 tablespoon oil. You can use ghee or olive oil. First add onion and tomato with green chili. Cook it for some time and then add bell pepper. With the help of separator, we can separate the egg yolk. It's an easy method to separate egg white and egg yolk. Whisk it for some time and add little bit low-fat milk. Add salt and black pepper as per your taste. Once the vegetables are cooked, add egg into the pan. Let it cook for some time. Then again add little bit of low-fat milk. This will make egg less sticky. So it helps you to cook egg in very less oil. Cook it for some time until it's dried out and then garnish with coriander. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel for regular updates.